Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Wait, okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Andisa Binena Bakti with official number A1M221N004. I am from B class and today I'm going to explain about my final assignment, what technique I do to in every sentences from 2 video in the YouTube. Okay, first. How do you start on dating again? I mean, you can't go on dating app. I use literally translations, which means harfiah translations. You don't need to you don't need to make it more natural or follow the Indonesian norms rules or make it more familiar to the Indonesian people. You just need to follow the context of the language. You just need to follow the sentences from English. It means bagaimana kamu mulai kencan lagi. Aku maksud kamu tidak bisa pergi ke aplikasi kencan. Jadi it means this is a little bit kaku. Dia agak kaku dan tidak familiar oleh orang Indonesia. Oke, atau terlalu baku. You lost 100 pounds in 2 years. Free translation artinya teknik translation di mana kita tidak perlu memikirkan maknanya apakah masih tetap. You don't need to think about the meaning is still the same with the English versions. You just need to make it free to follow the norms of the target language to make it more familiar, even though change the meaning, and use informal language. Free translation, example, lo turun sebanyak 100 pounds hanya dalam waktu 2 tahun, gila lo sakit ya. This is for free translation. You don't need to follow the meaning. Okay. The third sentences is I had the most terrifying anxiety attack after I left my marriage. So I use semantic translation. Semantic translation is a translation where you never ever try to change the meaning. You need to follow the meaning even though you follow the target language norms, the structure grammar of the target language, but you don't need to change the meanings. The meanings still follow the English version. So, aku benar-benar mengalami serangan mental setelah aku bercerai. Okay. The next, they had paralyzed me completely and made me confused. Semantic translation, mereka melumpuhkan mentalku dan buatku bingung atas perlakuan mereka. So it means that Adele feel like after the divorce, people start to try to take Adele and try to touch her vulnerable mental health and make her feel confused why they do that. I wouldn't be able to control my whole body, but I knew that I was aware of it all happening. Communicative translation, it means that you need to follow the audience language. What the audience understand about the language, it means that you need to make it a little bit informal or semi-formal to follow the audience rules. Example in here, I use Gen Z language because my target of the people is Gen Z, and Gen Z is Gen Z itu sangat gaul. As you can see, sulit banget bagi gua untuk ngontrol diri gue, tetapi yang gue tahu adalah ini bakal terjadi. This is following Gen Z rules. Okay, 6. Your English is so bad, nobody says it like that. Now, I'm going to use free translation again because free translations it's a translation where you need to make it free. You don't need to follow the grammar rule. You don't need to follow the semantic rules or change. You can change the meaning at least the meaning is not far from the English version. Jelek banget bahasa Inggris lo, nggak ada yang ngomong kayak gitu goblok. As you can see, there is no goblok said or there is no stupid in the English version, but I make it more free, just like free translation rules. Okay. Next, you mean how much is it, sir? Literally translation, translation, baku, kaku, informal, and do not follow different to communicative translation where you need to make it semi-formal, or semantic translation you need to follow change, you cannot change the meaning, but at least you don't need to make it kaku, and the meaning is yang kamu maksud berapa banyak ini tuan ya, ini sangat kaku, sangat formal. Okay, next. This computer is very fast. It has 64 MB. I use idiomatic translations. Idiomatic translation is the technique of translation when you need to use the idiom from the target of the language. So, komputernya cepat tanggap karena mempunyai 64 MB. So, cepat tanggap di sini bukan berarti it doesn't mean they are very smart, but at least they are not lambat loading in Indonesia, or they do not taking a long time to loading or taking a long time to process the computer programs. And my friend said that at worst he can buy 2 computers. I use semantic translation. I mean, I don't need to make it formal. I need to follow the Indonesian norms or Indonesian grammatical rules. But the most important is I never change the meaning. Sobatku bilang kalau dia lagi banyak masalah, jadi dia bisa beli 2 komputer. Oke. Move to here. Sorry. Sorry. Okay. Sorry, there is a problem with my phone. Okay, this marketplace everywhere is the same. Semantic translation. I use semantic translation, like I said before, I don't need to change the meaning. Tempat ini adalah pusat pembelanjaan, jadi semua tempat harganya sama. Okay, I think that's all for me for my presentation about my final. Thank you for watching and see you.